Do you have high prolactin, hormonal imbalance issue, PCOS, or fertility issue? Then there's a particular seed that will help you to balance this particular hormone and help your health to get better, to avoid this fertility issue stuff and everything. So this particular seed is called Vitex seed. But wait, come, I know you've heard about Vitex seed before, right? But it's not just about Vitex seed. There is a way to use Vitex seed that makes it more effective. You have to add some other things to it to actually make that Vitex seed very, very effective in order for you to actually balance this hormone to start seeing results very, very quickly. You have to use Vitex seed with rice, basis seed, and red clover. Mix this seed together to actually achieve this. How to use this is you blend together and take it as in the powder, mix it up in a warm water and take regularly every day, especially on empty stomach. Especially on an empty stomach. You take it every day like that on an empty stomach. You use it for the period of 3 months. You pause for like 2 weeks, then use again. 3 months, pause, then use again. All right, just to give your body a little bit of break. But if you don't see results, just unfollow me. If you know somebody that needs this, please share this video with somebody. And if you have not followed this page, what are you waiting for? Click that follow button so you don't miss a thing on this page. Thank you.